Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make gateau bannane on your request. This was requested for so long and many of you want to see the recipe for gateau bannane. Now there is many ways of making gateau bannane recipe. There is many ways of making gateau bannane. This is one of them, and if you want to see more recipes on gateau bannane, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will do that for you. So for the recipe, we are using rotten bananas. So you can see this is, even the bananas are more rotten than mine. It's okay, it's better, but this is the ripe bananas and I want to post this. I want to make the video today because I feel like eating gateau bannane today. And then we're gonna need some all-purpose flour, we're gonna need some granulated sugar, some milk powder, full fat milk powder, and baking soda. We are not using water for gateau bannane recipe. We never ever add water in the gateau bannane recipe. We also need some oil, and my oil is preheating right now on medium-low heat. So first thing I'm gonna do is I want to peel the bananas. So you want to make sure you peel the bananas at the time you're ready to make the gateau bannane, so they does not turn into a brownish color, like black color. So let's just peel these bananas. Now you can use just a potato masher and just mash the banana. You can just use your hand, mash the banana, or just a fork to mash the banana. Just mash the banana well, little bit chunk, that's fine, but mostly they need to be like smooth, like not too much chunk. And now the bananas has been mashed. To that I'm gonna add sugar. Bananas can be like sweet, so do not add too much sugar. I'm just gonna add about half cup of sugar, but according to your taste you can go a little bit more, a little bit less. Add the milk powder, and then we're gonna add flour. I'm gonna add the flour little by little. I'm gonna add 1 cup at a time. This is a half cup measurement, so I just add 1 cup so far. And then the baking soda. Okay, for 4 bananas. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is not baking powder, they're different, baking soda and baking powder. So this is baking soda, and now I'm just comfortable for me to use hand and just mix this until butter. But I'm just gonna leave this on my left, so it's easier. If I need more flour, I'm just gonna add more flour, and then my right hand I'm just gonna mix. So this is just a little tip. And my oil is still preheating over low heat. By the time we do all of this, it's ready to go and fry the gateau bannane. Okay guys, I have added half more cup of flour. Now you can see this is a batter. Okay, there's no water at all here, and this is what you're looking for. Oil is ready to go, and now we're gonna fry the gateau bannane. I'm gonna do like a small one. You can do big, you can do medium. Now the bananas that I have used was a medium size of bananas, and I have used 1.5 cup of plain flour. And if you have small bananas, you're gonna add 5 instead of 4. And if the bananas are big, then you can add just 3 for this recipe. So I'm just gonna keep dropping the bananas in small balls. Keep the oil over medium low, so the banana doesn't get brown quickly and not cook inside. Alright, it's been 4 minutes and the gateau bannane has started to get a little bit color. I want this to cook slowly, but this is not done yet. Probably about 2 more minutes to go. This has to go like a nice golden color. Slowly take a fork and then just move them around. Okay guys, it's time to remove the gateau banane. The banana pakora is ready. Now it's very important to drain the oil completely for banana pakora, gateau banane. I have a plate ready to go with paper towel. And just throw them on the paper towel. And that's it. All the gateau banane is ready. Banana pakora, which is so delicious, so good to eat. If you make this, you're gonna be craving, and you wanna eat everything on your own. You don't want nobody to be around you. This is that much good is banana pakora. Hope you try this. Get the full written ingredient in the description box. And I hope you enjoy this video with me. I will see you next time with another great recipe. And I wish I can try this for you. This is so hot right now. It is super hot right now. I'm gonna wait for this to get a little bit cool, and then I'm gonna enjoy my gateau banane. And for now, I'm gonna just let you go. I will see you next time with another great recipe. Bye.